Hey, it's Clay. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVGR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy movement the past couple of days, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely well above average volume the past couple of days. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, and pretty tricky price movement today because during the final portion of the day, the price exploded very, very nicely. And then all of a sudden spent the remaining part of the last 30 minutes, you can see right here, just falling further and further downward. So it's not like it ruined the entire chart. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying a pretty rough go at it, with the final portion of the day, in the books. But the good news here is that the price is still up above this area right here at 33 cents. And I consider 33 pretty important because let's say that the price does come down here and test it, which wouldn't be a huge stretch. I mean, it's already pretty close, but comes down here, but, behaves in that manner where it maintains above it and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have these lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. So from a very big picture point of view, it becomes very clear at that point that the overall stair steps are progressing in the upwards direction. And assuming you do care about the big picture of things, that's what it's all about. It's all about making that overall progress. And in my mind, 33 cents is now playing a large role in the overall progress. Again, I'm not saying if the price falls below 33, that implies the entire chart is ruined. But yeah, definitely staying up above it would put the chart in the best spot possible because it would keep those stair steps intact. So definitely keep a close eye on 33 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, first level of where the sellers seem to be hanging out is right up there at the 35 cent mark. The price can break back above 35, then it's still up right around 36 and a half. But kind of getting too far ahead of ourselves because priority number one is not necessarily has anything to do with resistance levels. It's more so just trying to consolidate, go through a healthy consolidation and build that higher base of 33 cents. But if it does turn around, then yeah, 35 cents initial level. And after that, you can start to focus more so on 36 cents and above. Overall, though, interesting past couple of days. So let's see if the price can keep on building upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.